Booers! Today we have another episode of John Meat. It's finally, man. It's not like we never get second episodes to series. Thank God, man. I fucking hate Toku Studios. Am I right, fellas? We have a guest here, alright? It's Luigi. From Mario.
I think everybody knows that.
So Luigi, how you doing, bro? How you doing?
Yeah, well, I'm doing pretty good. How about you?
You know, I was almost murdered by Freddy Fazballs. It's a miracle that survived the attack.
Oh well, I'm filming the new Mario movie right now.
You feeling it?
No, I'm filming it.
What?
Filming.
Oh, my bad, bro. My bad.
Yeah. But you know, it's pretty good.
So how do you feel that people dick ride Mario instead of you?
You know, Luigi has his own good games. I mean, I have Luigi's Mansion. You don't see Mario having a mansion. That's me.
Yeah, I ain't hear no Mario's Mansion. Motherfucker broke, I guess. I don't know.
Yeah, he mansion. I make all the money.
Like, dude's still a plumber, dude. Get a new job, bro. God, always being all broke.
Oh,
God.
Well, I mean, he's not only a plumber, he's also a doctor.
Yeah, and he a doctor. Like, dude, go back to being a doctor, bro.
Yeah.
God, broke bitch.
I keep all of my money.
And the thing too, we know the thing about Peach. Like, come on, dude. You getting kidnapped all those times in a row? I think we know the truth. I think there's a little side thing going on. Like, come on. We ain't fucking stupid, Peach.
Yeah. Not too many times.
Yeah, like, we know the truth. Like, we ain't fucking stupid, Peach. We know the truth. Come on.
Yeah, it's a kind of a problem for Mario.
Jeez. Mario be taking L's, dude.
I'm the big L.
Dude, literally the big L. It's crazy.
Yeah, it is pretty crazy. Have you played New Super Luigi U before?
Man, fuck no.
It's a pretty good. It's like a harder version of Mario's game.
Alright. I don't know how to say this, but there's been rumors that you've been having kids locked up in a basement. Is that true?
I don't know what you're talking about.
Luigi, come on. We ain't fucking stupid here. You know about the kids.
Now, listen. You know how Mario went to Isle Delfino in Super Mario Sunshine?
What?
How Mario went to an island in Mario Sunshine?
Yeah?
Well, I went to an island too.
I don't think I know what you're talking about. What island?
I went to, Mr. Epstein's island.
Okay. Oh, hell nah, bruh. Hell nah, bruh.
Come on, it was pretty fun.
Jesus Christ.
Tom Hanks was there.
Oh my god. Tom Hanks.
Yeah, Mick Jagger from Rolling Stones.
I know a lot about pedophiles. No!
Donald Trump was there.
God damn it, bro!
Bill Clinton was there.
Oh my god, no!
was a pretty groovy party. Mr. Weinstein was there.
Shut up. It's not true. You're making this up. Stop!
No, my name's on the guest book.
You're a liar! L! That means you're a liar! We know the truth, you son of a bitch. We have you on video. We have you on camera. It's right there, you stupid Italian. We know the truth, alright? You're gonna pay for your crimes, you pedo son of a bitch.
Mamma mia, I guess I got the cat another time.
What the fuck are you talking about? Open your mouth when you speak!
Mamma mia. I guess that's the way the cookie crumbles.
Sun's about to crumble, alright? Your fucking bones. Oh! Ooh! Yeah! Take that! I knew it from the start. I knew the truth. You didn't believe me. You didn't believe me. I was the crazy one. I was always called the crazy one, even though it was the truth. God, oh. God. Kids in the basement? Jeez. Luigi, where's the kids?
I don't know what you're talking about.
You know what I'm talking about, you son of a bitch? Where's the kids?
They're dead.
You gotta be kidding me, bitch. God.
The kids are dead.
No. No. No.
Wait a minute. How old are you?
It can't be true.
Wait a minute. How old are you?
What are you talking about?
How old are you?
What are you?
How old are you?
It's none of your fucking business, bitch.
Well, how old?
How old?
Yeah.
I'm not telling you my age, you pedo son of a bitch!
Tell me now.
I'm not telling you!
Tell me now.
I'm telling you!
Ah.
I'm telling you, you fucking coin bitch.
Oh, look over there, aliens.
What?
Ah.
Help me! Police! Where's the goddamn police? Where's the police? Where's the police? Ah! Get off of me, you all pumping me!
Hey tofuers, thank you for watching this video. I can't believe there was actually an episode 2 for fucking once. Oh my god, man, they never be dropping us a fucking episode 2 to a show. My god. They always drop one episode, but then don't drop a second episode. Like, what the fuck, Tofu Studios? God damn. Anyways, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to Tofu Studios.